Fourth sum. Determine the matrices A and B if they satisfy 2A minus B plus 6 minus 6 0 minus 4 2 1 equal to 0 and A minus 2B equal to 3 2 8 minus 6 1 minus 7. Here we want to find the value of that A and B, the matrices A and B. For this, like a linear equation, we have to solve the equation. First we want to take the first equation, keep the A and B term on left hand side and take the constant to the right hand side so that the symbol will be changed. So we have minus 6 plus 6 0 plus 4 minus 2 minus 1 here. That is the first equation. And then take the second equation as it is here. So we want to solve both the equations there. So for this, what we have to do, we have to make the coefficients same, isn't it? So keep the first equation as it is. In the second equation, we want to multiply with 2. So 2 here, we can multiply with 2 or minus 2, anything. If we want to multiply with 2, we can have to change the symbol also, isn't it? So we want to multiply with this 2 here. Therefore, minus 2a plus 4b equal to minus 6 minus 4 minus 16, 4 minus 2 minus 14. Now we can cancel these two so that we have 4b minus b is 3b. Here we can simplify this. Minus 6 is minus 12. We want to simplify both the things, isn't it? So minus 6 and minus 6 is minus 12 and 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 0 minus 16 is minus 16. We are adding this corresponding elements. Likewise for the second row, 4 plus 4 is 8. Minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 1 plus 14 is 13. So we have 13 here. Now we got the value of B now, isn't it? So 3B equal to this much. So B equal to 1 by 3 into the same matrix. And then we want to find the value of A matrix. So substitute this value of B in the equation. So we can substitute in this some other equations so that we can get easily, or else we can do in this method also, like the coefficients of B, we can make this same so that we can cancel these two. So 4a minus a is 3a and then we have to add these two. That means minus 12 minus 3 is minus 15. 12 minus 2 is 10. Here 0 minus 8 is minus 8 and then 8 plus 2 is 10. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 2, 7 is 5. So we have the value of A equal to 1 by 3. The 3 will go to this side, that is 1 by 3 into the matrix there. So this is the element of matrix A. Fifth sum. If A equal to 1, A, 0, 1, then compute A power 4. Here it is given A equal to 1, A, 0, 1. First I want to find the value of A square. A square is nothing but A into A. So matrix of A, this is also matrix of A. We have to multiply that. Already we learned the matrix multiplication. So first row, first column. So 1 into 1 is 1, A into 0 is 0, so 1 plus 0. And then first row, second column, that is 1 into A is A into 1 is also A. And then second row, first column, 0 into 1 is 0 and 0 into 0 is 0. And then second row, second column, that means 0 into A, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So and then we can add this, that means 1 plus 0 is 1, here 2A, here 0 and here it is 1. So this is the value of A square. but we want to find the value of a power 4, isn't it? Now we found the value of a square. Then we want to find a cube is nothing but a square into a. The value of a square is this one into a here. So here also we have to multiply row and column wise for matrix multiplication. Okay. So we can have first row, first column. So 1 into 1 is 1, 2a into 0 is 0. And then first row, second column. That means 1 into a is a, and 2a into 1 is 2a. And then second row, first column, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. And then second row, second column. That means 0 into a is 0 and 0 into 1 is 1. Therefore, we have a cube is 1, 3a, 0, 1. And then we want to find the value of a power 4, isn't it? So, a power 4 is nothing but a cube into a. The value of a cube is here and into a. So, again we have to multiply row and column wise the matrix multiplication. First row and first column, 1 into 1, 1, 3a into 0, 0. And then first column, second row. First row, second column. So, 1 into a, 3a into 1, it's 3a. And then second row, first column, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0. And then second row, second column. That is 0 into a is 0 and 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, the answer is 1, 4a, 0, 1. Therefore, the value of a power 4 is here.